I wanna let you know, I'm proud to know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life would be perfect just without you. If I want it, when I ask you. Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent over from MyFirstWigs. Just in case any of you guys are interested, check below in the description box because I'm going to leave all the links to this wig in my description box. So this is a half wig, you guys, with a part. I wanted to try it out because I'm like, a half wig with a part, how that's really going to look. All right, so I'm going to show you the wig. First of all, before I even show you the wig, here's the packaging. I already have my baby hair in place. My hair is pulled back into a low ponytail, and I'm just wearing this wig cap. The wig did come with a wig cap. It also came with 2 wig grippers. And it came with a comb and 2 clips. Texture of this wig is a Kinky Straight, which y'all know I love Yaki Kinky Straight hair. It just works best for me. The length is 20 inches. The cap size is a cap size 1. Like always, I always tell you guys this. Make sure you get your correct cap size. My head is small, so I got a cap size of 1. I went ahead and curled it already. I used my wand curler. I curled this wig so many times. I just didn't want it to be straight because it's like, it's so plain. It's just straight, which I think that it would look really pretty straight. The construction looks like this. It has 2 combs right here off to the side. It also has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And this is the headband part. This is what the part looks like, and it's like a plastic part. It's not lace. And this is the texture of the wig. All right, let's put her on so we can see what she looks like. I'm gonna use the clip in the back. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the clip in the front, just because I'm trying to be easy on my edges, all right? So I don't know about the combs in the front. We'll see. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use the comb because I feel like it's more secure with the combs. We have her on. She's looking pretty. I definitely love the length. Now you can wear it like this with the black headband, but I think that I want to add my scarf as a headband. So I have 2 options right here. We're going to see which one look better. So I'm going to try. I feel like this one. This one is my favorite one. All right, wait a minute. Do I want it this way or do I want it the other way? I think I actually want it the other way. All right. And I'm gonna go in and lightly spray this just so the curls won't fall. I actually want to see what this looks like pulled up. Before I pull it up, I'm going to put it on the side because I just want to see what it looks like on the side. So because of the part, it kind of makes it hard to wear it as a side part unless you shift the wig so the part can actually be on the side. I don't know. Real quick, my thoughts. It's okay. Like, it just has a part in it, and I feel like the part kind of limits what you can do with the hair. It's a middle part. I mean, I didn't try to shift the part to the left or the right, but the hair, the quality and everything is really good. If I had to choose a faux part half wig versus a regular half wig headband, I would do the regular headband wig because, like I said, it gives you more options to style. Like me, I probably would have wore this to the side. Wearing it in a ponytail was kind of easy, but still it has that part. I do feel like you can conceal it, but I mean, the part might bother some people, so it's either or. It's a preference, but this is my end results. Like I said, I'm going to list all the links in the description box just in case any of you guys are interested. I definitely love the headband wig, especially for the summertime, because you know that weather, the heat gets a little bit crazy, and with this you can pull it up just in case you get hot. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the end of my video. I will see you guys in my next video.